Today our topic is posology. First, posology is a subject. Posology is a subject which deals with the study of dosage form of a drug. This posology came from the word poses. It's a Greek word which means how much. Now, in this posology, we will learn two kind of dosage forms. One is child dosage forms. The other one is adult dosage forms. Now, when we talk about child dosage forms, here we have many formulas. One is based on years and months, while the other one is pounds and kilograms, and the other one is body surface area. In child dosage forms, we have three different types of formulas. Based on, first one is based on years and months. Second one is based on whether the age is given in pounds or kilograms, or either in terms of body surface area. Now, let us talk different kinds of formulas. First, child dosage forms. In child dosage forms, the first scientist was Young's formula. According to the Young's formula, the formula can be given as age in years divided by age in years plus 12 into adult dosage forms. This is the formula of Young's. Young's formula can be defined as age in year divided by age in year plus 12 multiplied into adult dose. Now, second type of formula is Dilling's formula. Now, there is a condition for this Young's formula. This Young's formula can be applied for the only children who are under 12 years. This Young's formula is applied for only children who are under 12 years. Now, this Dilling formula is applicable for 4 to 20 years. Dilling's formula can be given as age in year by 20 into adult dosage forms. Adult dose. This is the formula of Dilling's formula. Now, third one is Collins formula. This Collins formula do not have any age limit, and it can be defined as age in year plus 1 by 24 into adult dose. This is a Cowling formula and it do not have any age limit, and it can be given as age in years plus 1 by 24 into adult dosage forms. Now fourth one is Bastardus formula. This Bastardus formula can be given as age in year plus 3 divided by 30 into adult dose. Bastardus formula can be given as age in year plus 3 whole divided by 30 into adult dose. These are the 4 formulas, and there is a 5th formula. Out of those four formulas are based on years in age. Now this 5th formula, Freud's formula. This Freud's formula is based on age in months. This formula can be given as age in months divided by 150 into adult dose. Freud's formula is given in months, and formula can be given as age in months divided by 150 into adult dose. Now 6th one is Clark's formula. This Clark's formula is applied in 2 cases. One formula is age given in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. This is one formula when the age is given in pounds. Well, one more second formula is age in kilograms divided by 70 into adult dosage forms. These 2 are the important formulas in kilograms. Clark's formula, age in pounds and age in kilograms. Now these are the formulas which are based on age. Now there is one more formula which is based on surface area. This body surface area is given in meter square. Now the formula can be given as body surface area in meter square divided by 1.73 into adult dosage forms. This is the formula for body surface area. Body surface area in meter square